Dynamic Systems Development Method, also known as DSDM, is an Agile project delivery framework. It provides a structured approach to Agile project management and delivery. DSDM focuses on delivering business value within set timeframes and agreed quality criteria. Let's explore what DSDM is all about. It is an Agile project management and delivery framework. It was established in 1994 by the DSDM Consortium. The framework mainly focuses on the business needs and project goals. It emphasizes collaboration between all stakeholders. The key characteristics are: business value is the primary criterion for delivery, delivers on time with agreed quality, combines flexibility with structured project management. It is suitable for projects of all sizes. Let's discuss the 8 core principles of DSDM. The first principle is to focus on business need, that is, deliver what the business needs when it needs it. The second principle is to deliver on time. Timebox and prioritize to deliver on business priorities. The third principle is to collaborate. Involve the right stakeholders at the right time. The fourth principle is never compromise quality. Build quality in from the beginning. The fifth principle is to build incrementally. Develop solutions in increments from firm foundations. The sixth principle is to develop iteratively. Use iterative development to converge on an accurate solution. The seventh principle is to communicate continuously. Ensure clear communication and documentation. The eighth principle is to demonstrate control. Ensure progress is visible and tracked. Let's discuss the process flow of DSDM projects. The lifecycle starts with the pre-project phase, where the project setup and viability are assessed. Then it goes to the feasibility phase to check technical and business viability, followed by the foundations phase where the business case and architecture are established. Next comes the evolutionary development phase, which involves iterative development cycles including exploration, engineering, and review. After that is the deployment phase, in which the solution implementation is carried out. Finally, the post-project phase involves benefits assessment. There are arrows showing the connection between the phases. Let's discuss the key roles in a DSDM project. The first role is the business sponsor. The business sponsor owns the business case, ensures project alignment with business goals, secures funding and resources, and acts as the ultimate decision maker. The second role is the business visionary. The business visionary defines the business vision, ensures the solution meets business needs, communicates with stakeholders, and supports the business ambassador. The third role is the business ambassador. The business ambassador represents the business perspective, provides day-to-day business input, ensures user requirements are met, and participates in prioritization. The fourth role is the project manager. The project manager plans and coordinates the project, manages risks and issues, ensures project governance, and facilitates communication. The fifth role is the technical coordinator. The technical coordinator defines technical architecture, ensures technical quality, coordinates technical resources, and manages technical risks. The sixth role is the solution developer. The solution developer creates the solution components, interprets requirements, performs unit testing, and documents technical aspects. Let's discuss the prioritization and timeboxing in DSDM. The first technique is Moscow prioritization. Moscow stands for must have, should have, could have, and won't have. Must have are non-negotiable critical requirements. Should have are important but not vital requirements. Could have are desirable but not necessary requirements. Won't have, that is, this time, are requirements that can be deferred. The second technique is timeboxing. The fixed time periods are 2 to 6 weeks with clear objectives. Scope is variable, time and resources are fixed. This ensures regular delivery of business value. Let's discuss the key deliverables in DSDM projects. The first product is the business case, which justifies the project and outlines expected benefits. It defines business drivers and objectives, outlines costs, benefits, and risks, and evolves throughout the project lifecycle. The business case is created in the feasibility phase and refined in the foundation phase. The second product is the solution architecture definition, which involves the high-level technical design of the solution. This defines the technical approach and standards, outlines system components and interfaces, and addresses non-functional requirements. It is created in the foundations phase and refined in the evolutionary development phase. The third product is the prioritized requirements list, which is a comprehensive list of all project requirements. It is categorized using Moscow prioritization, includes functional and non-functional requirements, and is continuously updated throughout the project. This is created in the foundations phase and updated in the evolutionary development phase. The fourth product is the delivery plan, which outlines the approach for delivering the solution. It defines time box structure and schedule, outlines resource allocation and dependencies, and includes quality and testing approach. This is created in the foundations phase and updated throughout the project. Let's discuss the steps and challenges in implementing DSDM. The first step is to assess organizational readiness for DSDM adoption. The second step is to provide training for key team members and stakeholders. The third step is to start with a pilot project to demonstrate value. The fourth step is to establish a governance structure and reporting mechanisms. The fifth step is to adapt DSDM practices to fit organizational context. The sixth step is to scale implementation based on lessons learned. Some common challenges are resistance to empowered teams and decision-making. The solution is executive sponsorship and gradual culture change. Another challenge is difficulty maintaining time box delivery. The solution is strict prioritization and scope management. Another challenge is lack of business stakeholder availability. The solution is clear role definitions and dedicated time commitments. Another challenge is integration with traditional project management. The solution is a hybrid approach during the transition period. Another challenge is maintaining quality with iterative delivery. The solution is built-in quality assurance and testing practices. Let's compare different frameworks. DSDM is a comprehensive project delivery framework with full life cycle coverage. It has a strong focus on business value and stakeholder involvement. It is a structured approach with defined roles and products, using Moscow prioritization and timeboxing techniques. It is suitable for projects of all sizes, including enterprise-level projects. Scrum, XP, and Kanban. Scrum focuses on team-level delivery with sprints. XP focuses on engineering practices and technical excellence. Kanban is a flow-based approach with continuous delivery. They are less prescriptive about project governance and may require additional frameworks for scaling. DSDM is particularly valuable for complex projects requiring strong governance, business involvement, and a structured approach while maintaining agility. It excels in regulated environments and when transitioning from traditional methods to agile practices. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.